Työväenkatu 1 in Seinäjoki. In 1959, pronounced in 2000, it's 7895. I was hoping for original NPN4 elevator, but unfortunately not. I changed trains in Seinäjoki, but I have time to film this elevator, but I think I don't have time to film more elevators. 5th floor. Ground floor. 3% 2 and 4th floor frames. Example is coming, so 100 is enough. Inspected by Kiva, inspected, maintained by Kone. And that's it.